Hello everyone, welcome back. Recently I reviewed Oxygen OS Open Beta 1 ROM for you. Koge I have reviewed another Oxygen OS based on Android CAN. एक is CAN 0.1 McLean edition. So Koge I have reviewed this ROM based on Android CAN. The kernel is used his override kernel. The security patch was 1 September 2020. So let's find out is it stable ROM for you to use or no. Let's compare with the last build Oxygen OS Open Beta 8. So in the network setting, you can easily use Wi-Fi and hotspot connectivity. You can also use Bluetooth for Bluetooth headset or speakers. There will be no problem to use these services. You can easily use. If we talk about here display, you can see the normal settings here, screen calibration like is night mode and dark theme which are working perfectly. You can see the temperature and brightness level of dark theme is perfectly working. Night light is perfectly working. Also here you can see the rigging mode here, in which two options are given, chromatic effect and monochromatic effect. So you can use these options perfectly. You will have no issue, any problem to use these things. You can easily use. Also it is here given the video enhancer. You can also use this option. Also you can see here ambient display which is working perfectly. You can use this option if you want to use, so you will have no any problem to use this. After that you can see also another settings here, display size, font, like LED notifications, status bar. So you can easily customize these settings according to your own wish. You can also customize the icon manager. So this is a customization settings. Also you can set here wallpaper settings and clock style on ambient display. So these options are working perfectly. Also you can customize gas and color and icon shape. You can see here the light theme and dark theme which is working very good. You can easily use these options. Also you can customize the status bar, so you can customize the ROM. There is not much customization in this ROM as compared to Oxygen OS Beta 8, but some are given here. If I talk about sound quality, you will have a normal sound quality is very good. You can also use here earphone mode and eye corner options. You will have no issue to use this option. If I talk about color slider, you know it is not present in our device. It is only on open Oxygen OS 1 Plus devices. You can also use quick gestures option here, but here the three finger swipe down option is not working, so you will not have this feature in this ROM. There were many features in Oxygen OS Open Beta 8, but here many features are broken, like double tap could open the screen on lock screen is not working. So this is the bug I found in this ROM, but these options are working perfectly on lock screen and home screen. There's many things which is not working in this ROM. I will say the Oxygen OS Open Beta 8 was a better ROM than this. You can also see the fingerprint and face unlock is working just fine. The speed is very good to unlock the screen with fingerprint and face unlock. After that, let us find out some another options here. Let us go battery backup. You will have a normal battery backup. I haven't tried much gaming in this ROM because I didn't like, so I have not cascade the battery backup. You may have a good battery backup if I cook here in normal way. You can also see here in battery saver no dark image presenting, only some application will be scoped. So I don't like this thing also in this ROM. After that you can see here some utilities like parallel apps. Parallel app is working perfectly. You can see the Paytm is cloned here. I don't know why only one app is supported. In many apps should be supported, almost all apps. After that in utilities we can find also hidden space and another option like app locker which is working just fine. Also you can see pocket mode which is working perfectly. Now let us think about system settings. Here you can easily use OKG storage and power button menu options. If we talk about here quick files option, it is just working perfectly. You will have no issue to use these options like rigging mode and dark theme inversion mode. All the things are working just fine. You can also see here gray cycle mode and battery saving mode, night light, dark theme which is working very good. So in quick file setting you can easily use these options. I will say Open Beta was a much better ROM than this. You can see here also OK Google is working fine. You will have no issue to use OK Google, and also here you have the option to use Google Lens in this ROM which is very good. This is working very perfectly. You can see the Google Lens is just working fine. This is very good option to use. If you wanna try this option you can use this ROM. After that we are going to check banking apps. Banking app is very disappointing for me in this ROM because Many banking apps are not working like Yono, SBI, HDFC Net Banking, IngoAssist and Federal Banking. Nothing is working in this ROM. Even Google Pay is not working. Only I have tried Paytm and PhonePe. These two apps are working. Otherwise, all the other banking apps are not working. So guys, don't try this ROM if you are using any banking app to use. So don't try this ROM. You can see here Paytm is working fine. After that, we are going to check some Necro cache and safety net cache. Also, these are not successfully passed. You can see here some problem in Necro checker. Also, the ROM is by default crooking. Also, you can see the safety net cache is failed here. So, not much benefit of this ROM. Also, you can see a Geekbench score which I got much low score. So, in case of performance, this ROM is not so good to use. You can see the Geekbench score is quite low, goes 73 and 1051 only. So this is not the right ROM to use in term of Oxygen OS. Also you can see the Play Store device is not certified here. In calling you can see only call recording option, not Wi-Fi calling or video calling option found here. So this is just a normal ROM I have used. You can see here gaming mode is also given, but not gaming in this ROM is good. I have tried a little bit gaming, not much, but I would say not gaming better in this ROM. Also you can see here some customizable setting in home launcher, OnePlus launcher. You can use these options also. The most favorite feature I love in this ROM was hidden space, so that you can hide any app in it. So this is the feature I love about this ROM. Some features are good, but many features are not working. I have used Nikika 1.2 camera Gcam in it, so it is working just fine in this ROM. No can issue, but you have to install Google Focus or any other third-party app to use the Focus. Also, you can use any third-party app and click the option here to use third-party app, so that you can use any gallery other than Google Focus or just use Google Focus. This will be better option. So you can see the focus here. You can use this feature in any ROM because many ROMs don't support the Google Focus or gallery option. So you need to install Google Focus additionally to use this Google camera. So this is the ROM which is good in many things but not good in many things also. You can see a temperature. After that, Koge Kunai, I am bringing another ROM review Xkanging XR latest version which is launched Koge only. So let's find some another options. You can see here the device is okay. You only need to install the Magisk module. So Koge इसका video is enough for Koge. And guys, this is not the good ROM for you. So go and try it next, make in next video. Skek next escape.